Hello. Okay. We have some more example about array. If we want to check whether certain value is present in an array or not, we use array.includes function. We have an array with these elements, with these values. We declare a value and input. We can select our value that we're searching for it, and we define a boolean variable and write array.includes. First element is our array, and second element is a value that we searching for it. And if value that present is true, it means there is that value. Otherwise, this value is not present in our array. Okay. Here default is 3, and 3 there are in our variable, our array. If I change it to 10 and press OK, you see search value not found. It means 10 there aren't here. Okay. So yeah, we can also okay. So next question, how we can get position or index of a value in array? Let's use int value index and array dot binary search. ID is our array value ID. Array ID is values, is my array name, and our value is this input. So if value present, if value exists, if value present is present in our array, so then I say value found and its index is, here I write str.toString, this index that we got it with array binary search. So I change it to, for example, 1, search value 1, and its index is 0. Its index is start from 0. Okay, so this is our 0, index of this is 0, index of this is 1, index of this is 2, and index of this is 3. If I change it to, for example, 5, I go search for 5, here is 3. Okay, index of this 3. But if, for example, I added 10, no, let's say I save it, and we search for position of 5 here. As you see, we get -1. Because of binary search, the function of the index of value, or if the array to search must be sorted in ascending order. Okay, so if we don't want to if our array is not sorted, we can use array.indexof. Okay, so when I save it, as you see, it give us true position, true index. Okay, last 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, So index of 5 value is here is 4. Okay, it's correct.